connect your VCR to your computer using the Roxio video capture device. Before you get started, here are some things you should check. Ensure your VCR is functioning properly. Clean the heads on your VHS tapes. Watch the tapes you plan to convert to measure starting quality and check for distortion. Check that your drivers are up to date. Ensure the latest software updates are installed. Step 1. Connect the video output on your VCR to the matching jack on the Roxio video capture device using an RCA or S-video cable. Your VCR may have an RCA output, an S-video output, or both. The Roxio video capture device has both. When possible, we recommend using an S-video cable for higher quality. Step 2. Connect the two audio outputs on your VCR to the matching red and white jacks on the Roxio video capture device using audio cables. Step 3. Connect the Roxio video capture device to a USB port on your PC. RCA, S-video, and audio cables should have been provided with your VCR. These cables are not included with Easy VHS-DVD. For more information, reach out to the Roxio customer support team through the Roxio website. How to install Roxio Easy VHS-DVD 3+. Step 1. Connect your Roxio video capture device to a USB port on your PC. Step 2. Download the software installer from the Roxio website at roxio.com/download. Step 3. Click on the installer to run it and follow the instructions on screen. No serial keys are required.